Imagine this. You walk into a restaurant in an English-speaking country. The menu is full of dishes you barely recognize. The waiter comes over and asks, "Are you ready to order?" Your mind goes blank. You remember some English words, but nothing fits together. You mumble, chicken?" The waiter asks, "Which sauce would you like?" You freeze. "Oh no, I don't know the word for that. Should I just point?" Sound familiar?
Oh, yes, absolutely. I've been there so many times, and so have my friends. One of them once spent 5 minutes trying to say grilled salmon with vegetables and ended up just pointing at a picture, hoping for the best.
Exactly. It's not about knowing all the words. It's the moment when you have to make decisions on the spot, answer follow-up questions, and still sound polite.
Totally. That little freeze, the hesitation, the awkward pointing, we've all felt it.
So today, we're going to tackle that exact scenario. We'll give you a few ready-to-use restaurant phrases that will let you order confidently, clearly, and naturally.
By the end of this episode, you'll walk into any restaurant and handle your order smoothly. No guessing, no stress, just real English.
All right, friends. Now we're going to build your restaurant conversation step by step. Think of this as a scaffold. Small, simple tools that you can combine to order confidently. Today, we'll cover 4 core tools. Tool 1. Full order formula. Most learners just say, "I want food." Too short. Baristas and waiters need specifics. Use this formula. I'll have plus dish plus size/option plus extra detail. Examples. I'll have the cheeseburger with no onions. I'll have a medium fries and a Coke. I'll have the grilled salmon, please, with extra vegetables.
Okay, let me try. I'll have a big hamburger, no tomato.
Perfect start. Just tweak big to large. So, I'll have a large hamburger, no tomato. Now it sounds like a native speaker. Why it works. It prevents endless follow-up questions. The waiter immediately knows what you want. Tool 2. Quick Response Kit. Restaurants are fast-paced. You don't need full sentences for every question. Common short replies. For here/to go? To go, please. Any drinks? Water, please. Spice level? Mild, please. Examples in different contexts. Waiter. Dine in or take away? For here, please. Waiter. What would you like to drink? Iced tea, please. Waiter. Do you want extra cheese? Yes, please.
So I don't need to say, I would like it with extra cheese if possible.
Exactly. Short, clear, polite. Say, yes, please. That's it. Why it works. It keeps the conversation fast and natural. You avoid hesitation or awkward pauses. Tool 3. Thinking time phrase. What if the waiter asks something and your mind blanks? Don't panic. Use a pause phrase. Let me think for a second. Could you give me a moment? What do you recommend? Examples. Let me think. I'll have the pasta. Could you give me a moment? Maybe the grilled chicken. What do you recommend? I like spicy food.
Let me try. Give me a moment. I want something with, cheese?
Yes, perfect. Just smooth it slightly. Give me a moment. What do you recommend with cheese? Now it's natural and confident. Why it works. It replaces silence with words, making you sound calm instead of stuck. Tool 4. polite finish. Finally, always close politely. Short, confident phrases. That's all, thank you. Nothing else, thanks. Thank you. Example full order. I'll have the grilled salmon, please, with extra vegetables. Water, please. That's all, thank you.
Let me try the full flow. I'll have the pasta with mushrooms. Iced tea, please. That's all, thank you.
Perfect. That's a real restaurant conversation. Smooth, polite, and clear. So today's 4 tools: full order formula, quick response kit, thinking time phrase, polite finish. Remember, these are practical conversation tools, not grammar rules. Use them to communicate effectively, not perfectly.
And with these tools, your next restaurant visit won't be scary. You'll be ready, confident, and natural. Okay, Alex, I have a concern. What if I use the wrong word or make a mistake? Like I say, I want big fries instead of large fries. Will the waiter think my English is bad? Or my accent is strong? What if they laugh or don't understand me?
Here's the truth, Lucy. In a restaurant, the waiter isn't judging your grammar or your accent. They just want to know your order. Let me share a quick story. I once ordered in a small cafe in a foreign country. I mispronounced almost every dish. My grammar was off. But the waiter smiled, repeated back my order, and I got exactly what I wanted. Here's a sentence to remember. People care more about understanding your message than hearing perfect English.
So even if I stumble, it's okay?
Exactly. Mistakes are not failures. They are proof that you're actually using English. The goal of today's tools: full order formula, quick response kit, thinking time phrase, polite finish, is not to speak perfectly. It's to communicate effectively. When your focus shifts from "Am I perfect?" to "Are we understanding each other?", you instantly feel calmer, more confident, and more in control.
I love that. It's not about me performing English perfectly. It's about creating connection through language.
Exactly. Every order, every phrase you use builds confidence and reminds you that real English is about connection, not perfection.
All right, friends, let's do a quick wrap-up. Today we learned a few restaurant Swiss Army knives, small, practical tools you can use immediately. Alex, can you give us a one-sentence reminder for each?
Sure. Full order formula. I'll have plus dish plus size / option plus detail. Helps you give a clear order from the start. Quick response kit. Short answers like, "To go please," or "Mild please." Keep the conversation smooth. Thinking time phrase. "Give me a moment," or "What do you recommend?" replaces awkward silence. Polite finish. "That's all, thank you." Ends the order naturally and politely.
So next time you step into a restaurant, you're not guessing. You have a plan.
And next episode, we'll tackle another real-life challenge. What to say when someone speaks too fast and you don't understand anything. We'll share polite, natural ways to ask them to repeat or slow down, so you never have to rely on just, "What?" again.
Because understanding is half of speaking. All right, friends, before we say goodbye, we want to hear from you. Here's today's question. Which of today's restaurant tools, full order formula, quick response kit, thinking time phrase, or polite finish, do you think you'll use first? Even better, try it out and leave us a short example sentence in the comments.
Yes, we read every single comment. We'll pick a few to share or give feedback in future episodes, so your practice can become part of the podcast.
Your little wins are worth celebrating, and we'd love to cheer for them together.
So don't be shy. Write your sentence, Share your moment of using English in real life, and let's grow together. Before we go, here's a small action for today. Pick one tool you liked most, maybe the full order formula or the thinking time phrase, and use it once today, even if it's just talking to yourself in the mirror.
Exactly. The fact that you're spending time learning English already matters. Small, consistent steps are what turn practice into real progress.
Thank you so much for listening. If this episode helped you, subscribe. And if you know a friend who could use some confidence ordering food in English, share it with them too.
Remember, communication isn't about perfection. It's about connection. Unfolded English is here with you, one conversation at a time.
See you in the next episode.